Hi, this is Robert Badawi from Microsoft. The Regression Suite Automation Tool, or RSAT, helps you automate acceptance testing of your finance and operations apps. Let's take a look at the improved Excel experience in RSAT 2.0. I'll start by selecting the Excel button to open the test case parameter file. To edit test case parameters, the previous version had several tabs, one per form. These tabs didn't provide helpful context and have been replaced with a single tab named Test Case Steps. It describes the entire test case and its parameters. Input and validation parameters are placed directly next to their corresponding test case step, providing test authors with more context and a simpler experience. When you modify parameters, it's now clear what steps of the test case you're affecting. You can enter values or formulas in context. I'll go ahead and modify a few parameters here. Also, changing validation values is now simpler and clearer. Color coding differentiates input parameters from validation steps. In addition, reusable variables that were copied while the test case is being recorded are shown in the context of the test case step. Copy a variable to use it in the next test case. Now save your changes. The next test case in RSAT posts a product receipt of the purchase order created in the previous test. Open the next Excel parameter file and paste the purchase order ID variable right in step 4. Step 4 is the step in the test case where the user enters the criteria for the purchase order they are working with. Also use the purchase order ID variable in the formula for the product receipt ID. This formula will create a unique product receipt ID with every test run. Don't forget to precede your formula with a single quotation mark. It's required. If you had been using an older version of RSAT, you need to regenerate parameter files to take advantage of the new Excel format. I hope you found this video and the improved Excel experience in RSAT 2.0 useful. For more information about RSAT, please see the Regression Suite Automation Tool content on docs.microsoft.com. Thank you.